Hello children, today we are going to learn addition. Please watch the video till end so you can learn all the concepts. Also there is a practice sheet available at the end of the video. But before that, please subscribe the channel to keep yourself updated on our videos. Addition means putting things together or combining things or adding up. There are certain keywords mentioned which will help us to solve the story problems of the addition. Please memorize all the keywords used for story sum of addition. The numbers which we add up are called addends. Here is the example 2 plus 3. So we are adding 2 and 3. These are called addends. And 5 is the sum or total or the addition of the addend. We are going to learn various methods of additions. So first we will start with drawing lines and doing the forward counting from the larger number. Here we have to add 5 and 4. So we will draw lines equal to the numbers. So for 5 we will draw 5 lines, and for 4 we will draw 4 lines. Now we will do the forward counting for each lines drawn. So 5 lines we have for number 5. After that we have 4 lines for number 4. So from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 we will get 9. Addition is so easy. Let's make it easier. Now we will learn how addition can be done. This is the number line. We will solve the same problem. We have to add 5 and 4, but with the help of number lines. The one thing, concept remains same. In addition, we do forward counting from the greater number. So that we need to remember. Here we have number line from 1 to 10. What we need to do? We have to do the forward counting from number 5 up to the place which we need to add. So we need to add 4 in 5. We will keep counting up to 4 place. Starting 5. We have 6 at first place, 7 at second place, 8 at third place, and 9 at fourth place. So the sum of 5 plus 4 will be 9. Addition of digits are that number where the forward counting ends. And in this problem, the forward counting ends at 9. So the answer will be 9. Let's understand the trick by using fingers. We have 5 fingers in our one hand, and put together in both the hands we have 10 fingers. We'll use our fingers to solve the one digit addition problems. But don't miss, we always do the forward counting from the greater number. That's the key we all need to remember every time we do the addition problem. Here we have to add 5 and 4. So for number 5, we'll get 5 fingers. For number 4, we'll open up 4 fingers. Now what we will do? We will do the forward counting. So larger number is 5. So after 5, We have 4 fingers left and we will do the forward counting. Here I have mentioned the numbers. You can keep folding your fingers to avoid the repetition. So from 5, fold one finger, we will get 6, second finger 7, third finger 8, and fourth finger 9. So 5 plus 4, what we get? We get 9. The same we can see on the number lines. The number line is mentioned to verify whether we have used the correct fingers or not, whether we have done the correct forward counting or not. Here we have two boxes. In the first box we have 5 dots and in the second box we have 4 dots. How many dots are there put together? So when word put together comes, means we have to do the addition. And what we do in addition? We do the forward counting from the larger number. So from 5 we will count up to 4 places. So from 5, first place we will have 6, second place we will have 7, third place we will have 8, and fourth place we will have 9. 5 dots and 4 dots put together will be 9 dots. Moving on to addition of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. So the concept remains same. We do the forward counting in addition. But since there are more than 1 digit in 2 and 3-digit numbers, so we align the digits by their place value. And we start addition from unit place. Then we move to tens place. Then we move to hundred place. And if there is no carry forward is involved, we write the sum directly. So let's learn how we align the digits by their place value and how we start the addition and how we conclude the summation. We have to add 36 and 42. So first we will identify the ones place and tens place in both the numbers. Here we are drawing a line to align both the digits for our better understanding. So aligning the numbers make the sum easier. First we will identify what all numbers are there at ones place. So in 36 we have 6 at ones place, and in 42 we have 2 at ones place. So we will do the addition of 6 and 2 first. We will apply the same concept what we have learned so far. For addition we will do the forward counting. Here the greater number is 6. So from 6 we do the forward counting up to 2 places. So 6, first place 7, second place will be 8. So 6 plus 2 will be 8. Similarly, we'll move up to tens place. We have 3 and 4 at tens places for 36 and 42 respectively. And we will add 3 and 4. See what we get. We will do forward counting from 4 up to 3 places. So from 4, first place 5, second place 6, and third place we get 7. So 3 plus 4 will be 7. Addition of ones place, we get 8, and by adding the digits at tens place we get 7. So we will put 7 at tens place, 8 at ones place. and get the answer. Here we have done the calculation separately for ones place and tens place in each boxes. Also number lines are given for your better understanding and for your revision of what we have already learned, and we can apply the same in two-digit number addition or three-digit number additions. Can we do addition of two-digit numbers by using our fingers? The answer is yes. We can solve a two-digit addition problem by using our fingers, because for doing the addition of two-digit numbers, we realign the digits as per their places. Ones place, tens place, and if three-digit number, we will realign to 100 place as well. We have to add 24 and 73. So let's identify which numbers are tens place and which number is at ones place in both the numbers. We'll start addition from ones place, right? So ones place we have 4 and 3. So we will add 4 and 3 first. For 4, open up 4 fingers, and for 3, open up 3 fingers. The greater number is 4, so we'll do the forward counting from 4. Now keep folding your fingers. So first finger will be 5th, second will be 6th, and third will be 7. So 4 plus 3 will be 7. Now what numbers are at tens place? So at tens place we have 2 and 7, and we'll do addition of 2 and 7. So here the larger number is 7. So for 2, open up 2 fingers and do the forward counting. So from 7, fold first finger 8 and the second finger 9. So 7 plus 2 will be 9. Now the addition of ones place is 7 and the tens place we have 9. What we will do? We'll put the addition of ones place at ones place and the addition of tens place at tens place. So the answer we get is 9, 7, which is 97. We need not require to do a separate calculation all the time, like we are doing over here. This is only for your understanding purpose and for me to explain you a better way. We can do it directly also, but for that we need to do a lot more practice, right? So watch till end and do the practice sheet by your own, so we can do things directly. For three-digit number, we'll align numbers as per their place value. So here we have ones place, tens place, and 100 place. What we have to add? We have to add 124 and 373. Now, since we have aligned digits of number as per their place value, we start addition from ones place, right? And keep moving towards left place values. So let's start with ones place. At ones place, we have 4 and 3. So we will add 4 and 3 first. Now by aligning digits, the addition becomes easier. Here we have at ones place we have 4 and 3. It's as easy as adding a one digit number, right? And we can use any methods what we have learned so far, be it using your fingers, be it drawing lines equivalent to the numbers, by doing the forward counting from the larger number on number line. Okay, here we have used finger method. So 4 plus 3 will be 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 will be 7. We have 2 and 7 at tens place. So back to basics. We'll do the forward counting from 7. So first place we have 8 and second place we get 9. So 7 plus 2 will be 9. Do it by using a finger. So we have 7, the greater number. We'll open up 2 fingers for a smaller number and do the forward counting. So 7, fold one finger, 8, fold the next finger, we get 9. So addition of tens place, which is 2 and 7 will be 9. Now at 100 place, we have 1 and 3. So by adding 1 and 3, how much we get? So after 3, at first place we have 4. So by adding 1 and 3 we get 4. So we'll directly put 4 at 100 place. So now the summation of 124 and 373 will be 497. In our next video, we will learn addition with carry forwards. So keep watching our channel to learn new and exciting concepts of mathematics. Thank you and keep watching and keep subscribing. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below the video. Thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share the channel.